to activate Firestone credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Firestone credit card online. To activate your Firestone credit card online, you will have to follow these steps. Make sure you watch the video till the end. Now first of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the home page of your browser, on the address bar at the top, type the keyword cfna.com/Firestone credit card. Make sure you enter the correct keyword here. You can pause this video and copy the keyword. Now once you have typed this keyword, press the enter button to reach to the official website of Firestone credit card. You will be presented with this interface once it loads. Here at the top right you will find login button. Go ahead and click on this login button. You will be presented with this login interface. Here you will have to enter your login credentials. In the first box, enter your username, and in the second box, enter the password of your account. Make sure you enter the correct password here in order to get access to your account. You can also click on this I button at the right side to double check your password if you have entered it correctly or not. If in case you don't remember your username or password, you can recover them by clicking on this forgot username or forgot password and following the on-screen instructions provided to you. Now, after entering all the login credentials, click on this login button. After a while, you will be able to log into your account. Once logged into your account, look for the option Activate Card. Once you find that, click on it, and then there you will need to provide certain details such as credit card number, security code, social security number, and the required details. You can find the security code at the back of your card. Once you have entered all the required information, follow any additional steps for verification. Confirm your identity, and after the successful verification, you should receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your Firestone credit card is now activated and ready to use. So by following these steps, you can easily activate your Firestone credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.